My name is Charlie Buckle. I live in London and I am of Ghanaian descent. I'm a proud Ghanaian. I'm wearing Kente cloth, a cloth that holds great significance in Ghana. It's made up of woven cloth strips and each color holds significant symbolism. So gold, for instance, symbolizes status. Green is for renewal and good health. Yellow is for fertility. And blue is for harmony. Ghanaians are all about peace. And lastly, red is for passion. I feel regal in my traditional attire. I feel beautiful. I love the vibrant, colourful cloths and patterns. Culture Style Week is important to me, as I perceive it to be a great movement, unifying so many different cultures and traditions by bringing together different individuals of diverse backgrounds to learn more about other people's traditions and cultures, and then also unifying with others from around the world. During Culture Style Week, I'll be wearing hairstyles, accessories and clothing, all depicting my Ghanaian heritage. Do not leave me on my own. Please join me.